Today I'm going to share with you my new favorite method for attaching a vinyl logo to a cup. This method is called the hinge method, and as you watch this you'll see very clearly why it's called that. Once the transfer paper is attached to the front of the logo, you're able to place the logo exactly where you want it, get it in the position that you like, and then attach one side of the logo with a piece of masking tape. Now you can remove the backing and simply hinge your logo back into place once you've removed the backing for the vinyl logo. One of the things I love about this method is that it's easy to repeat the exact same placement over and over. Many times when I'm using other methods that I've used in the past, I'll find that one logo is higher, one logo is lower, but with this method I'm able to see exactly where this logo is going to sit before I ever pull off the backing and start to adhere the logo in place. Okay, on this cup I tried doing the hinge method on the opposite side, doing it upside down because I'm right-handed, and as I was pulling off the backing I noticed that I was having a really tough time getting the label or the logo to remove from the transfer paper, and so at this point I just reversed the cup and tried peeling from the other side, and because I had it taped down on the one side I didn't have to reposition the logo. It was able to stay in the exact same location, and I was able to start all over with the hinge method on the opposite side. The last thing I wanted to show you, if you notice here on the name Carolyn, the transfer paper hangs over beyond the backing of the word, and the reason for that is I can use that vinyl to place it, and then when I tape it there's plenty of space for the backing to be pulled off without having to pull up on the tape that I positioned as the hinge. With these long skinny names I'm real particular in making sure that the measurements are accurate, because if the name is off, the word is off, it's real obvious on something like this. And the last thing, because all three of these cups are going to the same place, I want the names to look like they're all similar position, similar size, and I think I did a good job of that. Also, on this particular image, we noticed that we were having a lot of trouble getting the words to come out well with the vinyl, so know the limitations of the materials you're working with. After talking with the customer, we decided to remove them and just go with the G on the state. As always, thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any questions. Like if you got something out of this video, and subscribe if you're getting something from this channel. Thanks.